Drafting with detail lines should be used with some care. Even though you could represent just about anything in Revit architecture by drafting, including drawing an entire floor plan, section, or elevation, this is not their intent. You should also be aware that there are many tools to help you create a composed detail. It is highly recommended that you check to see if a detail component exists for the representation that you're about to sketch. Detail lines allow you to choose from the currently loaded and available line styles. When you sketch lines in a view, they become associated with that view's workplane. Because they are purely a two-dimensional element, they will not appear in any other view other than where they were placed. Detail lines may be placed on top of model geometry or drawn independently. If you intended these lines to be visible in other views, as well as 3D views, you can convert them to model lines. Select the line, and on the Modify panel, choose Convert Lines. In the current view of our data set, the model geometry is visible underneath. Detail components and repeating details have been placed in this view earlier. To add even more detail, we can use detail lines. Choose the Detail Line tool from the Annotate ribbon bar and select the Wide Line style. Place a representation of rebar in the detail. Click Modify, then place more detail lines, this time with the Medium Line style. I will sketch an indication of where the finish grade is in relation to the brick sill. The shapes that we can place are available in most sketching tools. We have lines, polygons, circles, arcs, ellipses, and splines. We also have the Pic Lines tool. On the options bar, chain is the default, and deselecting this will allow us to place disconnected line segments. We can offset from where we are sketching, and there is a radius option. Let's explore this a little bit closer. Normally, you will see this when you are creating curved sketches, or with tools like Polygon when it is based on a circle. If I am sketching straight lines, enabling the radius allows me to automatically fillet the corner. If I choose the rectangle tool and select the radius option, it will fillet all four corners. This is just a quick shortcut to drawing straight segments, then later going back and using the fillet segment. You may save your changes if you wish to continue this exercise in the next lesson, or simply open the next progression in the dataset.